Everyone, Sunil from Exterior Clean Melbourne and R Clean here. Just working on these beautiful, I don't know if they're a schist kind of paver, but they're one of the old style pavers that was used in driveways, and this has been used right through the, so you can see here it's all obviously where there's no sunlight and that struggling, a lot of moisture it's holding. So we're going to be washing all of these pavers down. Already started washing through there, so we'll be applying all the chemical through here. So all of these dark patches you see here are all mould. Then I'll show you just down here. You'll see again this is all mould, and then it gets very, very heavy through here. So this is where, I mean, it's really slippery through here. So we'll be washing all of this down for this customer. But basically this is has to be a chemical clean. There's no other way to do this. As you can see, we've just started washing all through here, starting to get it ship shape. We are in the surface cleaning stage, so but get some great results with these. You can see here you'll hear from R Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. As you can see here, these are the finished results. A lot of it hasn't dried yet. But as you can see here from the stones that have dried, they've just really come back to a beautiful bright schist colour that they were probably like when they were originally laid. So I'll just show you here. This is where obviously there was a lot of mould over here. I think you remember that, and right through here. A lot of mould and mildew. I'll show you through here as well. We cleaned up, obviously, as you know, all of this driveway through here. It's come up really good, and look at that, that's absolute gold. And again, like I say, once it dries, it'll come back to this beautiful kind of grey white, which is what it was like originally. That's just come up absolutely beautiful. I also cleaned down the concrete wall for them and just washed a little bit of the render because there was quite a bit of mould down here on there. So I hope that's helpful to you. Give us a call if we can help you. Certainly we've got the gear and the know-how, and we'll be able to give you a price as to what your needs may be for exterior cleaning. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.